first we have to brush our teeth.
Ay.
Cleanser. Oh, it's the same color as my nails. Daddy. The same color as my nails.
Pingi pera. Anong gagawin ko dito? Di pa naman basa mukha ko.
No, Daddy.
Hey, that's what you told me.
No.
Hindi, I've been doing it wrong the whole time.
Baby Jace is asleep. And it's 2 a.m.
Good.
Okay, so I'm just gonna try this one today with body today. It's vitamin C.
I'll try this today. Niamacid. Welcome to my ASMR.
So handsome.
Oh my God.
It's the moisturizer.
Di ba dalawa yan?
I put it away.
Bakit mo inamot away? Tagis tayo. Ayun lang. Natural moisturizing. Ano ibig sabihin ng ASMR, my love?
We're gonna say good night, everybody. Good night.
God, night. Ibang na pinupupos mo ba to?